Bybit Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Bybit is a leading crypto exchange designed for traders seeking a platform that's reliable, feature-rich, and user-friendly. With advanced tools like perpetual contracts, spot trading, and leverage up to 100x, Bybit caters to everyone from beginner traders to seasoned professionals. The interface is intuitive, ensuring seamless navigation while offering powerful charting tools integrated with TradingView. One of the standout features is its deep liquidity, ensuring fast order execution and minimizing slippage, critical for high-frequency and leveraged trading. Bybit also boasts an impressive 24/7 customer support team, which I've personally found responsive and knowledgeable, addressing queries efficiently. For security, Bybit employs industry-standard measures like multi-signature cold wallets, two-factor authentication, and regular audits, ensuring peace of mind for users. From my experience, deposits and withdrawals are processed quickly, which is crucial when trading in volatile markets. The platform also includes features like a mobile app for trading on the go, risk management tools like stop-loss and take-profit orders, and an insurance fund to protect against extreme market volatility. Bybit is ideal for those who prioritize trading over holding. While it doesn't support traditional banking deposits or a vast range of altcoins, its focus on core crypto pairs like BTC, ETH, and USDT derivatives makes it a specialist's choice. Their beginner-friendly testnet feature, allowing users to practice trading with virtual funds, is a bonus for those new to the space. Additionally, the fee structure is competitive, with maker fees as low as 0.25%, making it cost-effective for active traders. However, it's important to note that Bybit is not available in certain regions due to regulatory restrictions, so ensure it's accessible in your country. Overall, my experience with Bybit has been overwhelmingly positive, especially in terms of execution speed, platform stability, and user-centric design. If you're a trader looking for a robust exchange with top-tier tools, Bybit is worth considering.